It's a privilege to us to share upon you and discuss bacteria and its crucial background.
Bacteria. Nearly half a millennium ago, science took a great leap forward with the discovery of the microscope. Bacteria are ubiquitous, mostly free-living organisms, often consisting of one biological cell. They constitute a large domain of prokaryotic microorganisms. Typically a few micrometers in length, bacteria were among the first life forms to appear on Earth and are present in most of its habitats. Bacteria inhabit soil, water, the city cot, springs, radioactive waste, and the deep biosphere of Earth's crust.
Bacteria are unicellular, prokaryotic organisms. Any bacterial cell is composed of the following structures: essential structures, cell wall, cytoplasmic membrane, cytoplasm, nuclear body. Non-essential structure. Some, not all bacteria may contain one or more of the following structures: capsule, flagella, single flagellum, fimbria, pili, inclusion granules. The cell wall is a rigid structure containing peptidoglycan that surrounds the bacterial cell, just outside of the plasma membrane. Bacteria are classified according to their cell wall as gram-positive, gram-negative. In gram-positive bacteria, the peptidoglycan forms a thick layer external to the cell membrane. Cell wall of gram-positive bacteria also contain teichoic acid molecules. In gram-negative bacteria, the peptidoglycan layer is thin and is overlaid by an outer membrane. The space between the plasma membrane and the outer membranes is called the periplasmic space. The outer membrane of gram-negative bacteria contains lipopolysaccharide LPS. LPS is toxic endotoxin.
There are two types of bacteria: useful and harmful bacteria. There are many bacteria which decompose rotten substances, like dung, residues of dead animals, etc. Thus the most crude cotton, jute, etc., are decomposed by the Clostridium butyrium bacteria, through which long thickened fibers are obtained. Some bacteria enhances the fertility of the soil, means denitrification, especially in Leogmus plants, Rhizobium leguminosarum. Bacteria are found in the roots of the plants nitrified, transformed the atmospheric nitrogen into the nitrates. Such nitrates act like fertilizers, and along with the growth of the plant, fertility of the soil is also enhanced. Some bacteria decompose, denitrify the chemical compounds like nitrate, nitrite, and some other ammonium compounds into the free nitrogen. The bacteria like Bacillus, Thiobacillus, Mycococcus, etc. are the examples of such bacteria. The food poisoning is caused by some bacteria, like Clostridium, Botulinum, etc. There are so many other bacteria, which are pathogens and spread various diseases in plants, animals, and in humans.
The most dangerous bacteria. Escherichia coli, abbreviated as E. coli, are bacteria in the environment, foods, and intestines of people and animals. C. botulinum is a group of culturally distinct organisms that are alike only because they are Clostridia and produce antigenically different neurotoxins with a similar pharmacologic action. Salmonella was discovered by an American scientist named Drive Salmon, who knew the cause of illness for over 125 years. The condition is known as Salmonellosis 7. Most people infected with Salmonella develop diarrhea, fever, and abdominal cramps between 12 and 72 hours after infection. V. Cholera. There are many serogroups of V. Cholerae, but only two, O1 and O139, cause outbreaks. However, no difference in the illness caused by the two serogroups. Cholera, according to WHO, is a highly virulent disease that can cause severe acute watery diarrhea. Staphylococcus, from the Greek, grape and granule, is a genus of gram-positive bacteria, one of the most dangerous bacteria on Earth. Syphilis spread through sexual activity. It may also be transmitted from mother to baby during pregnancy or birth, resulting in congenital syphilis. Streptococcus is a genus of Coccus gram-positive bacteria. Many streptococcal species are not pathogenic and form part of the commensal human microbiota of the mouth, skin, intestine, and upper respiratory tract. Tuberculosis TB is one of the most dangerous bacteria on Earth. WHO classifies it as an infectious disease among the top 10 causes of death. Additionally, it is due to the bacterium Mycobacterium tuberculosis MTB. Tuberculosis generally affects the lungs, in addition to affecting other parts.
How to eliminate bacteria? Disinfectants are different from sanitizers, like soap, because sanitizers remove more germs than they kill and often act more quickly than disinfectants. Both disinfectants and sanitizers are essential to protect you against infection. Disinfectants are most commonly used to clean hard surfaces, like glass tables and metal doorknobs. They should not be ingested or applied to the skin.